Here we are at the not so new Macy in South Shore. What? There's only one. It said elevators out there. Let's press the button, which has been replaced. It was originally KSS 500. And that's whatever the hell those are. See, this thing's doing great. Got a floor there. Let's go to 2. Doors slam open. Elevator runs all right though. Actually not positive that I filmed this thing before. Y'all get a trip and a half because I'm going up to 2. So I got the original button out here. Okay, that is it. All right, my B-roll doesn't usually have narration. This is interesting. See, it's a new Macy store here. That is actually a surviving piece of the original 1963 store, which I find interesting. The mall kind of blows through that for a mall corridor, and then I think there's also like a 24-hour fitness up there, or at least there was supposed to be at one time. So pretty interesting.